Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will reveal how raw wood can launch your craft business by starting woodworking on a budget. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. When you are a budget-limited wood entrepreneur, the very idea of starting a woodworking journey can feel both daunting and exciting, yet at its core lies a truth that has carried countless makers and dreamers forward. You don't need the finest machinery, the most exotic materials, or even a vast studio to bring your vision to life. You simply need to start with raw wood and the belief that simplicity, determination, and creativity can open doors to possibilities greater than you might first imagine. Raw wood, in all its humble glory, carries a beauty that transcends its rough edges and imperfections, and for the beginner entrepreneur working within a tight budget, it represents both accessibility and opportunity, a resource that teaches patience, skill, and innovation while demanding only a fraction of the financial investment that more finished or processed materials would require. This is why countless crafters, makers, and entrepreneurs have chosen to begin with raw wood. It is not only cost-effective, but also deeply rewarding, because each knot, grain, and curve becomes part of a narrative that turns a simple piece of nature into something of value, something sellable, and something capable of connecting with people who crave authenticity and originality in their homes. What encourages one to start with raw wood as the foundation for a business or a creative endeavor is the way it invites experimentation without the fear of waste, because when you are not working with expensive, pre-polished lumber, the pressure to be perfect melts away and gives room for learning, for testing new designs, and for cultivating the personal style that will later define your brand. In many ways, raw wood acts as both teacher and resource, challenging you to embrace imperfections, guiding you to discover creative solutions, and proving that beauty lies not in what a material costs, but in how it is shaped by imagination and effort. For the budget-conscious entrepreneur, this means that each project is not merely a test of craftsmanship, but also an exercise in building confidence, resilience, and resourcefulness, three qualities far more valuable than any tool money can buy. Even the smallest scrap or roughest log can, with vision, become a candle holder, of a rustic shelf, a serving board, or a statement piece of home decor, and in this process, you learn not only the art of woodworking, but the art of transforming limitations into opportunities. The deeper encouragement comes from recognizing that today's market celebrates authenticity and sustainability more than ever, and buyers actively seek out pieces that carry a story, a soul, and a connection to nature, which is exactly what raw wood offers in abundance. The cracks, knots, and irregular textures that once might have been dismissed as flaws are now embraced as symbols of uniqueness and eco-conscious living, giving the budget-limited entrepreneur a powerful advantage. While others may chase perfection through costly methods, you can present honesty and character through raw, natural designs that speak directly to modern values. Every time you hold a branch, a log, or a leftover cut of timber, you hold not just material, but also the potential for storytelling, for connecting your craft with the growing community of people who want their homes to reflect sustainability, warmth, and individuality. This is why starting with raw wood is not simply a choice, it is a movement, one that aligns with broader trends and creates opportunities to earn while remaining true to both budget and purpose. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Perhaps the most inspiring aspect of beginning with raw wood is that it allows the entrepreneur to see growth as a journey rather than an overnight transformation. The process is gradual, from small projects to larger commissions, from simple hand tools to more advanced equipment, from local sales to potentially reaching a global audience online. Each stage of progress becomes possible because you chose to start with what you had, not waiting for ideal conditions, but embracing the beauty of learning along the way. And as you gain skill, confidence, and recognition, the same raw wood that seemed like a humble beginning becomes the foundation for a business that not only sustains itself financially, but also fulfills a deeper creative need, the desire to shape, to build, and to share. In this sense, starting small and budget-conscious becomes not a limitation but a gift, teaching lessons in discipline, ingenuity, and appreciation that wealthier beginnings might never provide. So, for the entrepreneur standing at the edge of this woodworking journey, the encouragement to start with raw wood lies in its accessibility, its honesty, and its potential to spark transformation. It shows you that value is not always measured by cost, that creativity thrives under constraints, and that the path to profit and recognition begins with simple steps taken courageously. The raw wood in your hands is more than material. It is a metaphor for your business itself, rough at first, unpolished, perhaps uncertain, but full of hidden beauty and untapped potential waiting for the touch of imagination and persistence to reveal its true form. And when that transformation happens, when what began as a discarded log or an overlooked plank becomes a centerpiece in someone's home, a gift that carries meaning, or a product that generates income, you will know that the decision to start, despite a limited budget, was not only practical but also profoundly powerful. In the end, starting with raw wood proves that entrepreneurship is less about resources and more about resourcefulness, less about perfection and more about persistence, and above all, it proves that within the simplest beginnings lies the capacity to build something extraordinary, lasting, and deeply rewarding. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked raw wood creations for eco-friendly homes on limited budget. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.